If you're facing the frustrating couldn't sign in error on CapCut, you're not alone. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a series of solutions that will help you get back into the app smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what causes this issue and how to fix it step by step, whether you're on PC or mobile. Let's jump right in and get CapCut working for you again. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. This seems simple, but you'd be surprised how often login issues are caused by weak Wi-Fi or spotty mobile data. Take a moment to check your signal strength and maybe run a quick speed test. If you're on a public or shared network, consider switching to a private connection or restarting your router. Remember, CapCut needs a stable internet connection to communicate with its servers, so even the smallest hiccup can interrupt the login process. Next up, if you're using any VPNs or proxies, go ahead and disable them. VPNs and proxies can mask your location or reroute your network traffic, which sometimes confuses CapCut's authentication system. It's a bit like trying to buy tickets for a local event, but calling the wrong phone number. The server just doesn't recognize where you're coming from. Turn off these tools temporarily and try signing in again. If you're privacy conscious like me, don't worry. You can switch your VPN back on once you're safely logged in. Sometimes, the problem isn't you at all, it's CapCut. Before spending too much time troubleshooting, it's wise to check whether CapCut's own servers are having issues. Head over to social media platforms like Twitter or check forums such as Reddit and see if others are reporting login problems. If lots of users are stuck, then the best plan is simply to wait it out. Server outages are usually resolved fairly quickly, so grab a cup of coffee and check back in an hour or so. Now, let's make sure your CapCut app is up to date. Older versions can contain bugs or incompatibilities, and updates often patch these problems. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for CapCut. If you see an update button, tap it and let the latest version install. This is one of those steps that quietly fixes more issues than you'd expect, from small glitches to major login errors. If those basic fixes don't work, let's move on to some advanced troubleshooting. For Android users, clearing the CapCut app cache can work wonders. This process wipes away temporary files that might be corrupted or just piling up behind the scenes. Go into your settings, find Apps, tap CapCut, navigate to Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't erase your projects, just some behind-the-scenes clutter. If you're using CapCut on your PC, look for an option to clear the cache in the app settings. It might be tucked under Preferences, so take a moment to explore the menus. Clearing your cache on PC serves the same purpose. It gives you a fresh start by eliminating files that could be blocking your login. If nothing else works, try reinstalling the app altogether. Uninstall CapCut. Restart your device if possible, and then reinstall it from the official store or website. Corrupted files from a previous install can linger and cause persistent issues, so a fresh install clears those out completely. For Android users, after reinstalling, you might find you can now sign in with Google more reliably. So definitely give this a shot. Here's a handy alternative for PC users. Use the QR code sign-in method. Open the CapCut mobile app, head to your profile, and find the Scan option. Then, on your computer, you'll see a QR code during the sign-in process. Just scan it with your phone. This method sidesteps the usual login page and can help you bypass annoying errors, especially if passwords and emails aren't working. That's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix the couldn't sign in problem on CapCut. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop your questions or share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting creative with CapCut.